I want
Yes,
to discuss with you. I want to get your feedback, the open feedback about the FDP and sessions. Okay.
yes, sir.
Many of the participants I already know, but few of the participants, first time I am meeting here. So we can do a formal introduction or an informal introduction. Okay.
We are on Facebook since a long time, but
Yes, sir.
for
Yes,
the
sir.
first time we are
Yeah,
interacting here.
Yeah. Fakira, sir.
we connected through social media and join and knowing each other through online medium.
Yes. Fakira, sir, what about your opinion about our FDP? What is your
Sir, already I have mentioned it is one of the finest FDPs I have ever attended.
okay?
This is my one line, if you can say. And uh, in elaboration, I have described it that you have selected the resource persons. Very judicious way
Okay.
that everybody fit to the, I can say, the square peg for square hole and round peg for round hole.
Okay.
The perfect matching was there. And only one critical feedback I have.
Yes.
See, two experts were there. One who was uh, giving us the about environmental communication, right?
Yes.
Most of because he is working in Tamil Nadu, Madurai, so
Yeah.
he has almost taken all the examples of purely Tamil Nadu,
Yes.
right? Uh, there, it needs a connectivity kind of thing.
Okay.
So he could have taken some examples beyond Tamil Nadu, right? That
Yeah.
is one critical feedback I have. And another, the second technical person who yesterday evening he was talking about radio, ham radio, and I learned so many new things there, like DAB, digital audio broadcasting. And though I was in broadcasting for last 20 years, but uh, some new things I came to know in the FDP.
Okay.
Though he has written books on in Tamil and most of the content produced in Tamil, but he has shared everything which is relevant. So I don't have any objection there. Uh,
Okay.
he may be working in Tamil. Obviously, as we belong to different regional area, we work mostly on our regional language.
Yes.
But only critical feedback was about the environmental communication.
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, it was a wonderful FDP, I can say. I
Yes.
have not taken the leave or I have not used my holiday. I'm
Okay.
using my holiday for FDP. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dr. Trishu Sharma.
Yes, sir. Yes, Dr. Arul. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for organizing this successful FDP
Thank you.
for the media practitioners and academicians from all over India. Actually, me and Dr. Fakir, we both of us joined together, and we both that definitely this FDP is going to organized by from South India, and we have a feedback that from South all the events, workshops, seminars, it is well organized and knowledgeable. So we decided to join this FDP, and we got a lot of knowledge from day one, like from before commencement of this FDP. Few days back only we got in touch with you, and we asked permission from you to join this, and you allowed us to join. So that's a great of you that you allowed us after even last date of registration. So that's really great.
Yes.
And definitely, as far as academicians, we enhanced our knowledge. Like as Dr. Fakira has mentioned, that environmental session, the radio session yesterday, that was really great. The session of Dr. Uma Shankar was really great. The session on media communication theories was excellent. Session of KG Suresh ji, that was great. So the all sessions were excellent, and we learned a lot from this FDP. And I hope all other my fellow colleagues and participants got a lot from FDP. Once again, sincere thanks to you for organizing this FDP, sir. Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, Sanjeev Gupta, sir. Dr. Sanjeev Gupta.
This good afternoon, everyone. Namaskar to coordinator Dr. Selvanji. You have coordinated very nicely this FDP, and all relevant topics and the experts were also nice. they give their maximum to the participants, and the information is very fruitful and useful to us as well as, and especially the sessions taken by Dr. T. Shripathy ji on video production. All the PPTs presented by him is very nice and very detailed, and also the session taken by the Kanchan Malik ma'am, and also Dr. Jay Shaktivel, amateur radio and ham radio. Very nice information and presentation, all they present to us, and really it was very nice and fruitful FDP to us.
Yes, yes.
This is my personal opinion. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Actually, we met, Sanjeev, we met the last year.
Yeah.
Devi Agilvia
University. Yeah, Indore. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You remember this meeting? Thank you. Thank you.
That time you are a resource person in there. I am the participant.
Oh.
It was a 2 weeks UGC HRDC program. Thank
Okay.
you.
In teachers' life, the whole life we were learning and studying. Na?
Yes.
One time we are a student, one time we are teachers. So
Lifelong learning.
okay.
Yes.
Sir, just
Very nice.
in Sanskrit there is a saying,
Yes.
Vidya vivadaya dhanang madaya sakti pareshang paripidhanaya khalascha sadho viparitametat jnanaya danaya charakshanaya. The moment you share the knowledge, then only you can protect the knowledge and preserve the knowledge.
Okay.
Unless until it is shared, you cannot learn.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We all are here to
Yes.
learn the things, to share the things.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
फकीरा जी, मजा आ गया आपकी बात सुन के. पूरे एफडीपी में आपने बहुत बढ़िया इनपुट दिए. बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ ये कोर्स करके 5 दिन.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you very much,
Really
sir.
nice experience.
Next, Sunik Kalai.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Well, myself Sunil Kalai from Tripura University.
Yes.
Like every senior participants, to tell you the truth, sir, at first I was attracted to photography,
Yes.
but the way you organized and the way you select your resource person,
Yes.
I think that was excellent. So we got to know different people from across the country.
Yes. Yes.
So it's really very fruitful.
Thank you.
So, and like my senior who has said earlier, I have attended many FDP, but to tell you honestly, sir,
Yes.
which I have given in the feedback also, I like 3 things: your coordination, your way of approach,
Okay.
and then your kind of selection of the resource persons.
Yes.
So that makes your FDP really great. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Premanand Rajaraman.
Yes, good afternoon all. I'm Premanand from Sri Sairam Engineering College, Vistambaram, Chennai.
Okay.
I'm basically a physics professor. I wanted to learn photography and media. That's why I have registered this FTP. I learned a lot from this FTP. I attended this one after seeing the title only. I learned a lot from this FTP, particularly the very first topic, importance of visual communication, given by Suresh, up to the till the last one, skill motivation, life skill motivation, that was given by Mr. Pradeep. So almost all the topics are all very nice, and the Dr. Arul Chelvam has chosen the right persons and to give all the topics here.
Okay.
And everybody presented very well, and I learned a lot.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Even though I'm a physics person, I repeat again, I learned a lot through the photography and all the media messages. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Tibat Tiwari.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, first of all, thank you so much for organizing this program in such a wonderful manner. And as everybody has said good things, so I do not have, much more than that because all the points are covered. But
Okay.
I would like to mention one thing. I mean, I have seen a lot of FDPs and I have seen a lot of FDP coordinator, but you are the one having a lot of patience and you managed it so well, Arun Shelvan sir. So my regards for you, sir.
Thank you.
And one resource person was always attending this entire session, and I have become an admirer for that person. Is Dr. Fakira Mohan. He
Yeah.
has attended all the sessions in a very fruitful manner, and he was, giving all his inputs whenever it was required. So as a senior mentor, he has guided all of us, even though we could miss some of the sessions because of certain commitments or because of certain problems coming at the technology level. But Dr. Fakira was always there to help us and guide us. And special regards to Arun Shelvan sir. Thank you so much. I'm truly delighted to be part of this faculty development program.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Dr. Vineet.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. I am Vineet Kumar, Dr. Vineet Kumar Jha. I am assistant professor at IMT College of Management, Greater Noida. This FDP is very interesting for me because one session, ninth session, Art of Documentary Filmmaking Technique by Sripati is very interesting for me because they tell me how we can make documentary film with mobile and how they can be edited and they can be circulated among other platforms. So this is very interesting for me. And second is today 13th data journalism, Dr. Uma Shankar Pandey sir. Because my PhD is on social media, content of social media, but he use is data, all other things. Someone write here also, how can we documented contents of social media. So there is another thing, but these session and Kiji Suresh session, first session, that is importance of visual communication in the digital age is also fruitful for me. So all the sessions of 13th and 14th plus because a life skill motivation speaker is also motivate us. So this is very fruitful for me, and we must I use these things on academics when we taught students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Jagrup Singh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
First of all, thank you very much to you, sir, for organizing such a stupendous 5-day workshop, and august presence of all the senior professors made this equally more important. And every session in itself was a big important module, and it let us learn so many things which we can explore even after closing of this final session. So once again, sir, thank you so much. It was a life enriching and insightful experience. Thank you so much for everything, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Haris Gautam.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, sir. First of all, thanks to you. I am a faculty at Delhi School of Journalism, University of Delhi. The faculty development program was very well organized by you and your able team. All the sessions were very good, and we got to know different perspectives about media communication, about photography. My only feedback is that in future, if we have such sessions, we can also add cinema studies and things like sports journalism. So we can have some fruitful discussions on cinema studies and sports journalism. Talking about this session, it was extremely fruitful and extremely well organized. Thanks to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, normally FDP, if you are conducting 2 weeks FDP, 10 days or 12 days, we can include more thing. Actually, we are,
yes, sir.
There is no choice. So we omitted many areas. We'll try for a 2 weeks program.
We are always short of time, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Mukesh. Mukesh is available?
Yeah. Hello, sir.
How are you, Mukesh?
Good, sir. Good, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, the FDP, the whole 5 days is very fruitful, and like that, our senior faculties also mentioned we learn more about the media technology and new subjects like that, we, radio technology.
Okay.
And the Professor Pandey sir morning session is very fruitful and everything is good, sir. Thank you for, sir, everything.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Yeah, yeah.
Mr. Namit Vikram. Namit, is it audible? Okay. Dr. Vijay Kumar.
Good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon to all the participants and the organizers. Good afternoon to my professor, Dr. Alchandran sir.
A little more loud, Vijay.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. Good afternoon to the participants and the organizers and my professor, Dr. Alchandran. So my feedback is, it was a very enriching 5 days of experience. So every session I enjoyed a lot. I attended all the sessions, all the 14 sessions, and this is the 15th. I attended all the sessions. I hope I was actively participating in the session also. To name a couple of, as I told, all the sessions were very fruitful because all the resource persons are subject matter experts in their own domain, and they practiced what they were discussing with us. It is not just that they come and deliver a session. To name a few, it was very inspirational, was Professor Suresh's session, the inaugural session, then Professor JP's session on photography and environmental communication. It was very inspiring. I moved. Then Professor Pandey's session, today's session, data journalism, because he's a very eminent person working on the domain of data journalism and visualization. And the well-being session, which was conducted as a session before this one, that is a mandate for AACT ATL session. It's a mandatory session that need to happen depending upon whatever topic the FTP is, but the well-being and yoga sessions are also important. So that went on really well. So all the sessions was so good, including my professor's session, that is Professor Arul Children session also. So I really enjoyed. It was a learning experience, really a good learning experience. Thank you so much. Hope to meet all the participants in some event or in some academic gathering soon. This is Vijay Kumar from Xavier University, Bhubaneswar, signing off.
Thank you, Vijay. Vijay is my PhD scholar. Now he is working in
Xavier University, Bhubaneswar.
Yes. Okay. Dr. Rajnish Kumar Singh. Dr. Rajnish Kumar.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Dr. Rajnish. It was really a good experience for me. And let me congratulate you, sir, for organizing such a lovely sessions, especially Professor USP, yes. Uma Shankar Pandey, sir.
Yeah.
And KG Suresh, Professor Mirdal, Professor Kanchan, all sessions, I think, on photography and media. It was lovely experience for me. And I hope in future also, as our earlier speaker says, we hope you will organize such sessions for in coming days. Best wishes for you, sir.
Thank you.
My regards to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Anjali. Dr. Anjali. Okay. Mr. Muttamil.
So good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So it was a wonderful session, sir. All the sessions were good. And the selection of the resource persons also was a lot of senior professors were there, and I'm able to get new knowledge from them. And I congratulate you and your team, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Rashmi Ranjan. Rashmi Ranjan. Is it audible? Anjali. Krishna Kumar.
Good afternoon, sir. This is thank you very much, sir, for this lovely and knowledgeable sessions. And definitely, all the sessions reflected the hard work and the true original content what we have gotten these 5 days. And technically, from KG Suresh session, sir, all the sessions are very interesting. And the queries, I asked one question related with the radio, so I thought somewhere in UNESCO corrected me. So definitely I am able to understand, and I am able to correct myself after getting the responses and the answers. Everybody, like every person who is presenting, who is with us, always tried for us and always gave the like you can say the best from their side. So this is the interaction level. So the interaction level is very high, sir. Everybody, like every time they are ready to listen us, every time they are ready to answer us. And thank you very much, sir. You are also very nice, and you always gave us time, opportunity for interacting with the presenters, the knowledgeable person. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dr. Bhumika Barot. Dr. Bhumika.
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon.
Yeah, sir. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I am very happy that I joined this FDP program. I really would like to thank all my fellow participants and especially to you for arranging such a wonderful faculties. From many of the speakers, I was a Facebook friend to so many of these faculties, but I have met them personally for the very first time, and it was some very fruitful interaction, and we got to learn so many new things, also some new perspective which will definitely help us throughout our academic career. So I'm very much thankful, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Muhammad Khazan. Muhammad Khazin Akhtar. Are you there? Muhammad Khazin. Okay. Johnson.
Professor, very much happy to join this FDP program, and I am very much delighted by different experts that you have arranged for this FDP program. It is highly informative and useful. The session was started on time for each and every session. The resource persons, whoever, when we discussed with them, when we asked the queries, and when we asked them about what should be done, everything they have responded in a positive way. They have taken up our questions in a lighter spirit and they have answered well. And the resource persons are very much informative. Yep. And from the bottom of the heart, we thank you for having arranged this FDP program. You have chosen the right resource persons for the right topic, and you have chosen the different dimorphism of the peoples. Therefore, that has created a plethora of ideas over in the minds of us. And thank you, Professor. Whenever we asked any problems, if at all the attendance link doesn't work over, you immediately responded through WhatsApp, everything.
Yes.
Thank you for your amicable personality and humble nature. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you
Johnson.
very much.
Namit Vikram. Namit Vikram. Okay. Deepika Kashyap. Deepika. Hina Kausar. Deependra Singh. Hello. Dimple. Dimple. Krishna Gandhi. Is it audible? Krishna Gandhi. Hina Kausar. Are you there? Okay. Dr. Gajalakshmi. Dr. Gajalakshmi.
Hello, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
First of all, I must thank you for giving me an opportunity to participate in this FDP. Basically, I am a chemist. I belong to the Department of Chemistry. Out of interest, I thought of attending this FDP to gain some knowledge in photography and media communication. As expected, I have gained so much of knowledge in this FDP through very good eminent speakers which you have organized for us. So thank you so much, sir, for taking so much of pain in organizing such a wonderful event. I'm very happy to be a part of this FDP. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mayur Bose. Mayur Bose. Mayur Bose, are you there? Okay. Ravichandran. Dr. Ravi. Okay. Some of the participants are not able to hear or I don't know what is happening. Okay. If any participants want to speak or want to give any comment or feedback, you can come on your own.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm Karthik from Karnataka Institute of Weather Technology.
Okay.
So the course is very helpful for me. Actually, I'm based from Tamil Nadu.
Oh, right.
It's very good, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Karthik. Okay. Nazini, are you there? Okay. Dinesh Kumar. Dinesh Kumar. Okay, if you want to give any feedback, you can speak now. Otherwise, you can give in the chat box or email or in the WhatsApp group. But apart from speaking here, your feedback form is very important. Likewise, AICTE, ATAL, they are sending directly to some feedback form later sometime, 1 or 2 days later. That is also very must. If you are giving the feedback form only, then only they are issuing the certificate. Okay, please keep it on your mind.
Sir, I have one query that with reference like from past 2 days, I'm joining this FDP through my cell phone. So at my cell phone, I am using my 2 official IDs and 2 personal IDs.
Okay.
So is there any question, not an issue to submit response from different IDs? Is it any issue? Like, but IDs with my name only.
At registered email ID only they are sending.
Yeah, no issue. Registered ID, I'm using that thing.
Okay.
That is not an issue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you. Actually, normally we are conducting the FDP in the face-to-face manner. That time we are exchanging our ideas, developing our friendships.
But still, this pandemic has taught us to go online because in academia, as far as in Indian scenario, the people were not ready to accept online technologies and online education. But now, 90% of Indian academicians had adopted it very well, and rest 10% are still learning, but they have not hesitation to deny it, but they are learning, and that's a really a great success for all Indian academicians.
Yes. Thank you. We are exchanging we are having very good food in a different days, but there is no opportunity for that. Even though we are exchanging our good thoughts, knowledge, ideas. Okay. In the beginning, some of the participants they asked the the schedule. What are the topics are covered? Who are the resource persons are coming? But wantedly, I did not disseminate the schedule because normally, if you are giving a schedule, what we are doing, we are selecting some topics, we are selecting some resource persons. That time we are having a little bit bias or selecting topics. That is, it is enough for my. It is not related to my area like that. So purposefully, I did not circulate it. I hope most of the regularly attending participants now you are getting some more ideas, new areas. What are the some areas we are not touching normally, but now you can earn some more knowledge in different areas, different topics. But if you felt it is a mistake, I say sorry, but I did it for the
Not at all, sir. Not at all. This is not required.
Okay.
It's not a mistake.
Sorry.
It's a tactic. It's a tactic.
It was a well planned. I can say
Well,
it
strategy.
was a well planned FDP where you have kept everything. I can say just like a secret and okay. What is the next session? We don't know. The moment you enter into the class, then only you know what is the topic you are going to learn.
Yes, I as a media person, I want to keep the curiosity and teasing. Okay.
Sir, it was full of surprises. It was full of surprises. So that is good thing.
Yes. Okay.
But the creative designs, the schedule designs were circulated in the Facebook, and individual resource persons they have circulated in their WhatsApp group and in Facebook.
Okay.
So we got to know a little bit what is going to happen.
Right. Okay. Bhupala Krishnan,
Yes, sir.
you want to speak something?
At the outset, I have to thank Anna University for providing the opportunity and to organize such a wonderful FDP. And I have to thank personally to you, Professor Arun Selvan, sir. And if you see the list of resource persons and their biography and their background, we can able to see the effort that you have put meticulously planned FDP, starting from Professor K.G. Suresh to the life skill trainer Swami Pratik. So each and every person are their stalwarts in their own field. So if you want to say, I learned each and unique things from each and every presenter. For example, to list out a few from Professor K.G. Suresh's presentation, I did not feel that I am attending this FTP virtually. So he was that much active and lively he was presenting.
Yes.
And if you want to mention about Ankar and Datta, the storytelling, he told the story, how a story has to be
Yes.
told. And with the Mrinal Chatterjee professor, he was telling about the history, as you said, no, purposefully did not circulate the topics. He had shared the history because then people will come with a preconceived notion of, oh, this is going to, they're going to cover this. Then people will come with the expectations. If the expectations are not satisfied, no, then they won't be get satisfaction. So it's a really a wonderful tactics, sir. And the big professors from IAMC Shobhita here and the Sanjay Rana, the professor, he gave that much perspectives to the communication. How the communication can be seen in a various perspectives, and especially the environmental enthusiasts like our Professor C.R. Jayaprakash and Professor Nagaratnam. In their tone of presentation, we can feel their emotion towards the conservation of environment, and especially the passion presentation of Dr. T. Sripati in the documentary filmmaking. Definitely, it will make anyone to get interested into the technical field of filmmaking. And even the UNESCO Chairs Community Media Person, you have invited Professor Kanchan Mali. That the presentation and the humbleness in their presentation really inspired us a lot to be how a presenter has to be. We are just growing birds in the field of communication. Many people are stalwarts in the communication. And if you want to mention especially the Professor Jay Shaktivel from University of Madras, we all know about radio, but what we doesn't know, he has revealed everything about radio and ham radio. Definitely, it's a knowledge enriching session on the total pack of all the 5 days. And really, I wonder, I don't know how I passed these 5 days. Still, we can recall that Professor K.G. Suresh sir's presentation, and it's wondering that oh, we have passed 5 days. And the last reason, especially, it's the need of the hour. Maybe a professional or official or any family will be peaceful, that stress relief exercise. And now I am little stressed about the exams. Okay. Anyhow, welcome. So at the outset, I have to thank you, and I'm expecting this sort of more FDPs to be organized in future, sir, as one of the participants has mentioned in the film studies and film areas.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
sure. I'm expecting more, sir. And thanks for the opportunity. And I have to thank the participants, the etiquette, and especially to mention a few, that Dr. Fahira Mohan and Deepak Tiwari, when and then and there, they came into the picture and they came into the scene, and they have taken up the sessions towards some moderating. Thank you very much for the fellow participants and the organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bhubalan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Dr. Venkata Lakshmi. Dr. Venkata Lakshmi. Okay, Dr. Suhail Ahmad. Miss Dini Yeldo. Okay. Okay. If there is no other feedback, we can. Dini, are you coming? Your audio is not. Your voice is not audible. We are not getting your audio.
So, sir, can we get the link for the test or attendance for this session?
Yeah, yes.
Sir, what is the qualifying mark?
Sir, Margaret?
What is the qualifying marks? What percentage we need to score to qualify the test?
80%.
80%?
Okay. Thank you. Now it's time is 3:30. Your testing time is started. We can close this session and we are starting the test. If you are missing the feedback form, kindly fill after some time, after your test. Okay, we will share the test form now. I thank all the participants. Many are my friends, my colleagues, my students. All are attended this wonderful FDP. Even actually, I want to attend, listen all the lectures, but due to my workload, I could not listen all the sessions. I will see the video after some time. I hope we will meet again in some other FDPs or conferences or meetings, trainings, anything. Hopefully, myself or you are organizing any FDP, we will meet online or offline. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
Thank you very much.
Sir,
All
can
the
you get
participants, not now you are not all the participants, all my friends. Thank you, all my friends.
Sir, can we get the PPTs of the experts they have shared?
Yes, we will share all the resources to you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank you, Doctor.
Again. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, all the co-learners. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Sir,
the
link for the
participants.
test.
Thank you.
Sir, link for the test.
Thank you. Sir, link for the
Sir, thank you.
Yes, we will send it.
in this chat box or in the mail?
Once again.
We will get the link in the chat box or in the mail.
We are sending in the chat box.
Yes, that's fine.
Email wherever you went.
Chat box is the fine thing. Chat box.
Yes, chat box.
Okay, sir.
You send it on mail is better, sir.
Do you want
Connection problem.
Okay.
Sir, but please send at chat box also and email also, because after getting a chat box we can start immediately.
Sure.